Lack of time is the most common excuse for people missing workouts. Luckily, it has been recently discovered that short duration workouts can have great health benefits as well. Some experts believe that time-saving workouts are efficient and attract better attendance from participants. The key lies in intensity, structure, and goals. Just 10 minutes of your day can solve your problem of being inactive and busy with your lifestyle. Hi guys, today in Follow the Fives, let's learn the 5 tips that can be done to stay fit if you have a busy schedule. The first one is jumping jacks. How to do it? Stand upright with your legs together, arms at your sides, bend your knees slightly and jump into the air. As you jump, spread your legs to be about shoulder width apart. Stretch your arms out and over your head. Jump back to starting position. Now repeat. Next up, let's talk about skipping. How to do it? Choose the right rope, stand up and pick up the rope. Step over the rope, use your hands and wrists to swing the rope over your head. When the rope is coming towards the front of your feet, hop over it. Set a pace that works for you. Do it 3 times for 30 seconds. Moving on to the next exercise, which is squats. How to do it? Start by standing tall, bend at your knees to lower into a squat, keeping the weight in your heels. Get low enough but don't fully sit down. Press through your heels and stand up. Continue for 1 minute for 3 times. The next exercise is touchdown lunge. How to do this one? Begin by standing tall with feet shoulder width apart. Then take a wide step backward with your left leg. Maintain this position as you lower your hip towards the floor by bending your legs to 90 degrees. Continue down until your left knee nears the floor and touch the floor with your left hand. Push your body back up through your front heel and step your front leg back to the starting position. This is 1 rep for you. Coming on to our last exercise, which is squats jumps. Here's how to do it. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and toes pointing slightly outward. Bend your knees, pressing your hips back as if you were going to sit back on a chair. Pushing through the heels, jump straight up. Land with your knees slightly bent and go back into the squat position. Repeat until the set is complete. Yes, short workouts are an effective dose of exercise so long as you push yourself during that time. Many people feel better when they stay more active throughout the day. Create a new habit of exercising during your lunch break maybe. Go for a 20-minute walk outside perhaps. You can buy a sandwich on the way and eat it in a nearby park. Not only will the walk help your body, it will also help you clear your mind and re-energize you for the afternoon ahead. We advise you to consult a medical practitioner before trying this at home to know what is right for you. Do share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content.